In this video, we're going to show you how to deflate your 12-foot battle boat with Rover Marine. This is a how-to video here. Also, if you watch this video to the very, very end, I'm going to show you how you can win this boat behind me. Another special thanks to Outdoor Master for giving us one of these really neat Shark 3 electric pumps with the lithium. So let's just jump right into it. And let's time the process. The clock is running. Let's go. So one of the things I love showing, you can't really see it on camera now, but the keel is inflated. So I just deflated the hull, and you can see how that boat just dropped a solid 6 to 7, maybe even 8 inches there. So while that's deflating, I'm going to go ahead and start deflating the, the tubes. So everything's in deflation mode. All the valves are down, so air is slowly releasing out of the boat, even as I'm talking. We're going to accelerate that process with this electric pump, which is put in the deflation mode. While that's happening, this is a perfect time for me to remove the seats and paddles to get this boat all folded up. So let's get right into that. We're going to unhook the seats. Makes it super easy. I like to put the cap right back on. Now that I removed all the accessories, which are the 2 seats and the 2 paddles, I'll grab the inflator and put it into deflation mode and start removing all the air so I can get this down to a factory pack, which makes it a lot easier to get it right back in the bag. There we have it. The boat's practically deflated. Now it's just ready to be all rolled up here and put into the bag. So let's just jump right into that. Perfect. So what I'm doing here is just folding the pontoons so that everything will fit nicely in the bag. Once I start seeing that rubber, I would say guard that's on the bottom of the floor of the boat for protection, that tells me I'm in a really good area to fold this boat up and that it's going to be packed up really nicely. I already have a nice transom that's buckled. And as I roll, I'll probably hear some air release. Now, I'll grab that long side strap. At this moment, we can attempt to put the seats on there with paddles if you like. There it is. We've got this thing ready to go. The whole kit's ready to go in the backseat of any car or truck onto its next adventure. Oh, and we got that thing done right over 10 minutes here. So the average deflation process will take 10 to 12 minutes. There was some pausing and waiting as I was doing some narrating. So you'll get this thing down to about an 8-minute marker, but between 8, 10, and 12 minutes is the deflation process on that 12-foot battle boat. So, like I promised you, now how to win the boat right behind me. Jump onto our website, create a customer account, throw in your email right there. You'll see it. It'll pop up right when you visit our website. Throw in your email, and you'll now be entered to win this boat, which we're going to release here this spring. Thanks for watching.